Children, now it's our exercise time. There are some exercise in the workbook for the lesson 19 time. So the first exercise is tick the correct answer. So there are 3 questions given. You have 2 options for each question. So check the option which is the correct answer. Give a tick in the square box. So the first question, how many months are there in a year? In a year, how many months are there, children? Option A 12, option B 24. So we have 12 months in a year, isn't it? Yes, so option A is the correct answer. So give a tick here. Second, how many hours are there in a day? Each day is divided into hours. So 1 day is equal to how many hours? Option A 20, option B 24. Yes, in a day we have 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So tick here. 12 hours in the daytime, we have 12 hours in the night time. So total 24 hours we have in a day. Third one, a leap year has option A 366 days, option B 365 days. So in a leap year we have 1 day extra. Every year we have 365 days, but in a leap year we have, yes, option A is the correct answer. We have 366 days in a leap year. Put a tick mark. Okay. So first one, how many months are there in a year? Option A 12 is the answer. Second, how many hours are there in a day? Option B 24 is the answer. Third one, a leap year has option A 366 days. Okay. Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 2, fill in the blanks. So first one, a day is divided into 3 parts, morning, dash and evening. A day is divided into 3 parts. We know morning, then afternoon and evening, isn't it? So morning, then afternoon, AFTERNOON, afternoon and evening. Second, we can see the moon and the stars at what time we can see moon and the stars? In the daytime or the night time? At night. So we can see the moon and the stars at night. N-I-G-H-T, night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Third one, the last fill up. A day is also divided into dash hours. We know 1 day is divided into, yes, 24 hours. 24. So, first one, a day is divided into 3 parts, morning, afternoon and evening. Second, we can see the moon and the stars at night. Third one, a day is also divided into 24 hours. A day is divided into 3 parts. At the same time, the day is divided into 24 hours. Okay. Now, the next exercise in the workbook, exercise 3. Draw hands of the clock to show the time. So here you can see the image. You can see the image here, children. The images of clocks are given and time is given here. Read the time and you have to draw the minute hand and the hour hand in the clock that's shown there. You have to draw the hands of the clock. The minute hand, the longer one, and hour hand, the shorter one. So first one is 12:50. 12:50 means, yes, the 12:50. How you will draw? Yes, the minute hand, the bigger one, it shows 50. So where after 9, 10 is 50, and then smaller hand you can see on the 12. You can mark on the 12. 12:50. You have to draw the image or draw the hands of the clock. The hour hand at 12 and the minute hand at 10 you have to draw. Then 1:45. 1:45. How you have to draw? Now the time is 1:45. So 1 at where? At 1 itself, then 45 means at 9, isn't it? The minute hand will come at 9 and the smaller hand, hour hand will come at 1. Like that you have to draw the hands of the clock. Now third one is 2:30. 2:30. So 2. The hour hand, smaller hand at 2, then the bigger one, the minute hand at 30 means we're at 6. So 2:30. Smaller will be at 2 and the bigger one, minute hand at 6 we say. The last one 2:15. Again the hour hand or smaller hand is at 2, then 15 means 3. So the minute hand will be at 3. So if you know how to read the time, if you know to calculate the time, then you can easily draw the hands of the clock accordingly to the timings given. So here 4 images are there. Under that timings are given. See the time and you have to draw on the clock they have shown there, and timings also, numbers also they have mentioned, except 1, 2, then 12 is there, then 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6 is there, 7, 8, not the 9 is there, then 10, 11, then 12. So on that image, on that clock you have to draw the timings of 12:50. As I said, 12:50, the smaller hand at 12 and the bigger hand at 50 means after 9, 10. Then 1:45, the smaller hand at 1 and 45 means it's 9. Minute hand will be at 9. 2:30, the smaller hand at 2 and the longer hand will be at 30 means 6. The last 2:15, the smaller hand at 2 and the bigger hand at 15. Okay? Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 4. Write the names of the missing days. You have to write the names of the missing days. So some days are missing here. You have to write the names. So starting from Sunday. Yes, Sunday is here. Then next is, yes, Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. After Monday comes Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Then comes Wednesday, it is there. Then after Wednesday, which day? Yes, it's Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Then comes Friday, it is there. Then after Friday comes, yes, Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So missing days you have to fill up. Okay, it's so easy, isn't it? You know the number of days. 7 days forms a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, children? So next exercise in the workbook is 5th exercise, let's answer. So there are few questions given, you have to answer to those questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions are there. Let's see what are these questions. Yes, children, come on, read the first question. Which is the first question here? How many days are there in a leap year? So you learned about leap year. In leap year we have one extra day, isn't it? Yes, so how many days are there in a leap year? Answer, there are 366 days in a leap year. We have 366 days in a leap year. Second, how many months have 31 days? Some months have 30 days, some months have 31 days. So how many months have 31 days? Answer, 7 months. 7 months have 31 days. Isn't it? Yes, starting from January. January, how many days we have, children? January we have 30 only. Then February we have 28 to 29. Then March 31. April we have 30. Then May 31. Then June 30. July 31. August also 31. Then September 30. October 31. November 30. December 31. Isn't it? So how many months? Yes, 7 months we have 31 days. January onwards. Isn't it? January we have 31. January we have 31. Then February 28 or 29. So January 31, then comes March 31, then comes May 31, then July 31, August 31, then October 31, last December 31. So 7. So 7 months have 31 days. Then which month has the least number of days? Yes, only in February we have few days. Other months have 30 or 31. February we have 28 days. But in leap year we have 29. So February month has the least number of days. February, February. The last question, how many months are there in a year? In a year, how many months we have? There are 12 months in a year. So first question, how many days are there in a leap year? There are 366 days in a leap year. Second question, how many months have 31 days? Answer, 7 months have 31 days. Third question, which month has the least number of days? Answer, February month has the least number of days. And last, how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Okay, children? So next is let's do it. What you have to do? Let's see. So page number 40 in your workbook, you have an exercise to do. Take a cardboard, cut it into a circle with the help of your parents and write numbers as shown below. There is an image of a clock shown. See, same like that, you have to draw this or write the numbers. How? First you have to take a cardboard, ask your parents to cut and give in the form of a circle. With the help of your parents, cut the cardboard into the shape of a circle. Then write the numbers as shown here. Isn't it? Image you can see here. Then attach 2 sticks to it. Take 2 small sticks and attach to it. One for minute hand, one for hour hand. It to be used as a minute hand and an hour hand. Move the minute hand and hour hand and try to tell time at different points. This is a good way, a good technique to learn time. Okay, so take a cardboard with the help of your parents, ask your parents to cut into a circular shape, round shape. Then mark the timings that shown, the 12, then 1, 2, not the 3, then 4, 5, then they have only marked one small point, isn't it? One small hyphen, then 6, 7, 8, not the 9, 10, 11, 12. So mark these numbers on that or write these numbers and take a small sticks and one small stick for hour hand, little more big stick for minute hand. Then you just move both the minute hand and hour hand and try to tell the timings at different points. You can, now the time is what? The image shown, you can see the time, the minute hand is at 12, hour hand is at 3. So it's 3 o'clock. Now you move the minute hand and hour hand and try to tell the different times at different points. Okay? So do this activity at home with the help of your parents and read the timings or learn the timings. Okay, children? Thank you.